Are you ready to transform your outdoor space into a stunning landscape? Look no further than Paysagiste Mutti. We offer top-notch landscape design services for both residential and commercial properties. Our dedicated team of professionals is creative, organized, and committed to making your landscape dreams come true. With our extensive knowledge of plants, grass maintenance, asphalt paving, excavation, cement work, and more, we can create a design that is not only visually stunning, but also functional and sustainable. Whether you need a complete landscape makeover or just some maintenance work, Paysagiste Mutti has you covered. Call us today at 514-815-3036 or email us at manpreet@hotmail.ca to schedule your consultation. Let us bring your outdoor space to life. Paysagiste Mutti, where your landscape dreams become a reality. Thank you for your interest in our landscape services. At Paysagiste Mutti, we take great pride in making your landscape dreams come true. So, if you're ready to bring your garden dreams to life, we are here to help. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and let us transform your outdoor space into a breathtaking oasis.